Welcome to SlideBazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series that will help you become better at PowerPoint. If you're someone who's new to creating presentations on PowerPoint, this video will help you out. If you're just starting out with PowerPoint, and if you're confused about creating presentations from scratch, I've got you covered. Also, make sure you stick around to the end of this video to learn how to use AI to create full presentations with high quality images for free in just a few minutes. Alright, let's start with the very basics. Suppose you need to create a presentation on a specific topic. First, create a document with your content. Try to be concise and split text into different sections, with each section meant for a specific slide. If you're struggling to do this, simply copy the entire text of your presentation and type out this prompt into ChatGPT to make things easier. I'll add this prompt in the description of this video. Once that is done, let's move on to the next step. Next, to make good-looking slides, you should probably select a theme for your presentation. You can find templates for your presentation by going to SlideBazaar.com and browsing through the free and premium presentation templates. Or you can use SlideBazaar's free add-in inside PowerPoint, which you can find using the link in the description. Find a theme that works for you and add it to your presentation easily. You can also add a color to your background, which you can achieve by just right-clicking on the slide, going to Format Background and adjusting the background color. But make sure when you add the text, the font color needs to have good contrast compared to the background. Now all you need to do is copy your text from ChatGPT or your document and fill your slides with content. Now, if you've got slides that require a bit of an extra design, search for templates on SlideBazaar.com or on the free PowerPoint add-in and add them to your presentation. In this slide, I'm just going to add a timeline template to my presentation since that is what I need. Now, add some subtle animations to your presentations to get a clean transition between your slides. Leave a comment below if you want a more in-depth guide on PowerPoint animations. And finally, all you need to do is just test out your presentation. Start the slideshow and go through your presentation a few times to make sure everything is just the way you want it to be. Here is a bonus tip for you. To create a complete presentation in just a few minutes, you can also use SlideBazaar's AI tool found inside the free add-in. Simply enter your topic, customize the outline, choose an image source and a theme, and your presentation is ready in just a few minutes. Try it out now using the link in the description. It is completely free to use. Alright, that's all for now. If you found this video helpful, please support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.